Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will also share our trading ideas with all of you guys. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis, and we also share our trading ideas with all of you guys. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. Okay, so this is the gold chart. First of all, we will go on the 1 time frame and look here what's going on here. Okay, so first of all we have an high and low, and here if you can see that market make a high, this was make a high, then market make a range on the 1 time frame and then break this support level, comes down, and now that support level is acting like a resistance level. And if we look on H4 time frame, let's modify these areas. This was the range, market break this range, comes down, now this range acting like a resistance level. And if we look on H1 time frame, here we have a demand range. When market make a new high, then market comes up and make a minor resistance at here, and right below this resistance level there is a demand level. Now we look on M30 time frame. Fine. So I think we need to modify this area a little bit. Now it's fine. Okay, now if we look on H4 time frame, so there's a high probability chance if this candle close in bullish candle, there's a high probability chance that market will go up to fill this H4 wick. This is almost 80 pips range. This will be a nice trade. And if we look on M30 time frame, then you can look here clearly. This is the minor resistance level. If this if the candle close bullish and above this resistance level, then there's a high probability chance that market will go up to fill this wick. Otherwise market will down. And there's no clear trade in sell, but here you can take trade as well. Here almost. And if we look on H4 time frame, that will be a nice trade. If this minor range break, then there's a high probability chance that market will go down to fill this H4 wick. And if we look on M30 time frame, that will be nice. Above this candle, above this resistance, there's high probability chance to market go up, and below this support market can fill this wick. Okay, one more thing. When we find this type of resistance, market break this resistance and make a demand range almost at the resistance or little bit below from the resistance, then there's a high probability chance that market will come again in this demand zone and then goes up. So that's why basically I'm waiting for this demand zone. Market will come down in this demand, then I will open a buy trade to move on. Otherwise these are the trading ideas. Let me show arrow. Above this resistance you can take a buy trade if I said if the bullish candle close above the resistance. Otherwise, if the bearish candle close below this support level, then you can open a sell trade also. And if market comes down in this demand, then there's a high probability chance that market will go up to almost 1890. So these 3 trading ideas for gold. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. And if you want to get exact entry or exit points which we take entries, then you can join our WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. You can contact us on WhatsApp and join our WhatsApp group. And if you are looking for best Forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.